features of a chart. A chart can take a large variety of forms. However, there are common features that provide the chart with its ability to extract meaning from data. Typically, the data in a chart are represented graphically, since humans are generally able to infer meaning from pictures quicker than from text. Text is generally used only to annotate the data. One of the more important uses of text in a graph is the title. A graph's title usually appears above the main graphics and provides succinct description of the data in the graph. Dimensions in the data are often displayed on the axis. If a horizontal and a vertical axis are used, they are usually referred to as the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Each axis will have a scale denoted by periodic graduations and usually accompanied by numerical or categorical indications. Each axis will typically also have a label displayed outside or beside it, briefly describing the dimension represented. If the scale is numerical, the label will often be suffixed with the unit of that scale in parentheses. For example, distance traveled (m) is a typical x-axis label and would mean that the distance traveled in units of meters is related to the horizontal position of the data within the chart. A grid of lines appear within the graph to aid in the visual alignment of data. The grid can be enhanced by visually emphasizing the lines at regular or significant graduations. The emphasized lines are then called major grid lines and the remainder are minor grid lines. The data of a chart can appear in all manner of formats and may include individual textual labels describing the datum associated with the indicated position in the chart. The data may appear as dots or shapes, connected or unconnected, and in any combination of colors and patterns. Inferences or points of interest can be overlaid directly on the graph to further aid information extraction. When the data appearing in a chart contain multiple variables, the chart may include a legend, also known as a key. A legend contains a list of variables appearing in the chart. This information allows the data from each variable to be identified in the chart.